The fence you see is cut from time to time by land grabbers and even threatening students' lives. We have tried our level best to appeal to the authorities, but the response has been minimal. So we want to appeal to you that we need security in this place. This place is mostly composed of girls. As you have already heard, the boys have just been recruited and they are not very many. And we are always fearful of our girls. So we want to appeal to you that the government takes action so that we can have security in this place. This land belongs to the church, and the church has the land title for this area. Many of the people were compensated long ago, bounce back and threaten the security of this place. They have invaded our priests several times, to the extent of even breaking all the windows and doors of his house. Our former priest, his car was smashed by the invaders on this land. Not only that, the church had a project of 2 acres of eucalyptus trees. All these were cut down and sold by the land grabbers. This place would have developed further because we have sand in this place. But the unfortunate part of it is that all of this sand is being stolen by land grabbers. So we appeal to the government really to keep security, to give us security in this place.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.